So I was in my Discord group the other day and someone posted a business help question that I thought would be cool to go over on this channel. So I'm going to read it to you right now. For those of you that charge per square foot, how much money do you add on for your services and packages when the order goes over your set square footage amount? Example, 0 to 2,000 square feet is X amount of dollars, and 2,000 to 3,000 square feet is Y amount of dollars. I have a good idea of what to charge people for 0 to 2,000 square feet, but I'm having trouble figuring out how much money to add on for packages and individual services above that. I said, I personally charge by square footage as well. I'll give an explanation based on my essentials bundle, which is photos, aerial photos, a 360 tour, a floor plan, and a social media walkthrough video. The bundle starts at $7.95, and that's from 0 to 2,000 square feet. And then I add on $100 for each 1,000 square foot increase in square footage. There's not an exact correct way to do it or not do it, but as long as you're happy with providing that service for what you're charging for it, then that's totally fine. The only time it works different is for my works bundle, which comes with everything. It's a $200 increase per 1,000 square feet. So it's $1,995 for properties up to 2,000 square feet. And then it's $21.95 for 2,000 to 3,000, $23.95 for 3,000 to 4,000, et cetera, et cetera. And then it goes over above 5,000 square feet, then it's a custom quote. But for individual services, it works a tad different. It's a tad smaller. If you charge $175 for 0 to 2,000 square feet for just photos, then for 2,000 to 3,000, I bump it up $50 to $225. And then from 3,000 to 4,000, maybe $275, something like that. That would kind of make it to where it's worth doing. Because if you're, I'll try not to make this video be a whole nother thing about you have to do service bundles because you'll make more money. You shouldn't just be going to properties and just doing photos. Aerial services, I do not charge based on square footage. I just have an aerial takeoff fee. So, if somebody wants me to take some aerial pictures, I'll charge $205 to take off. And then I just take as many photos as I think that the property needs. And then I deliver that. Same thing with aerial videography. It's a takeoff fee of $225. And then I'll take 15 to 45 seconds of aerial video and then either plug that into the property video or just a standalone thing. Typically it'd be 30 to 45 seconds. But then I said, hope this helped. And he said, definitely helps, thanks. So I wanted to talk about that a little bit. The Discord group is really, really cool. So I've got I think 50 people are in there right now. There's going to be a link to join the Discord in the description below, and I'd love to see you in there. You can post your photos on there and I'll review them, post the videos on there and I'll give you feedback. The whole shebang is just to help each other grow and get really good at real estate photography and the business side of things, because there is a business help side of things. There's sales help, marketing help, everything in there. I'm building it out specifically to be able to pop in there and just help people build their real estate photography businesses if they're not in the coaching program. I'm also going to be doing some live Q&A sessions that are inside that Discord. So I might also do them in YouTube. I'm still trying to figure out exactly how I'm going to do things, but the Discord is going to be the first step. There's going to be channel announcements, giveaways, all that kind of stuff is all going to be housed in the Discord. So if you're not in the Discord, you're missing out. But I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.